Hello travellers, so this week I just wanted to do a quick update for March and let you know where I'm at. So I have 3 backpack reviews coming up. I won't say what all of the brands are, but I can say a couple of them. So this one here is the Endeavour 12 litre from Mountain Warehouse in the UK. So that's a 12 litre backpack. I'm going to be reviewing that one in the coming weeks. So another exciting backpack that I'm going to be reviewing is the Topo Designs 30 litre travel bag. So that's this one here. It's quite large, but very nice bag. I can't wait to get into the review for that one. I also will be reviewing several more outlier pieces. So I have the New Way shorts, the Futureworks pants, and also the injected linen pants. So I did poll you guys on the YouTube, I don't know what you call it, the interactive section. And I said which of these 2 pants would you like to see first, the Futureworks or the injected linen. And the Futureworks came out just on top, so thank you for voting on that one. So in terms of electronics, I do have a couple more things I'm planning to review. One of them, not sure whether I will review this one or not. This is the Have It G1. They're small wireless headphones. So let me know if you would like to see a review on those. Also the Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones. I do plan to do a review on those ones soon. And the last one, let me know if you would be interested in seeing a review on this. I just got this one. This is the Tech G6 gimbal. So it's the smallest gimbal that I could find. So it's also quite lightweight. I'm planning to try this with the A6400 to get some more stable footage. And since it is quite small, I was thinking it would be good for packing in a bag. It's about 500-600 grams, which is about 1.5 pounds. So do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing a review on this one. And lastly, I did also make a Patreon account, so if you would like to support me and see the bloopers of the videos that I make, just go ahead and click the link in the description. So I'm going to be posting bloopers and outtakes there, maybe every week or every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. I do plan to do it regularly depending how much blooper footage that I get, and also depending on how much support. So if you are interested in this, you would like to see more and help support the channel, definitely go ahead and check one out. I'm also planning to do some more backpack giveaways, so if you are interested in winning my old review units, my old backpacks, and you're not worried that they're going to be secondhand, let me know in the comments if you're interested in me doing kind of like a giveaway, maybe at the end of each month or something, of each bag that or each product that I'm finished with once I've reviewed and I don't plan to keep it. Definitely interested to know whether you would be interested in that. So I'd also like to point out that at the end screen you'll see the link to a free book. So you can grab a copy of my free ebook called One Light Bag if you go to the link in the description. There's also an audiobook version of my ebook, which is also linked in the description as well. So that's it, thanks very much for watching and thank you so much for your support. Be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and be sure to check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next one.